Good morning students, welcome to our Sheba online class. Now we are going to see our 6th class. Our 6th class is health and hygiene. What is health and hygiene? Health means we want to live a good stable life, that is health. What is hygiene? For health we want hygiene. When we are hygiene, then only we can able to live a good stable life. That we are going to see about what are the diseases caused by without hygiene and how to protect everything. Now just see, when baby gets diarrhea, why? Because doctor will say baby is infected, that why baby got diarrhea. For that we have to take care of the baby, because baby don't know how to be hygiene. We have to take care of baby. We have to wash the body of baby every day, and we have to clean our hands, then only we want to touch the baby. These are the things which we want to know, and we have to take care of everyone, then only we will live a stable life. Then what is cleanliness? Cleanliness means observe the following picture, discuss with your teacher. That means in page number 83 there is a pictures. Okay, just take the pictures and I just roughly drawn here. We have to hygiene. What is personal hygiene? Cleanliness, hygiene is everything same only. Personal hygiene means what to take to ourselves, that is personal hygiene. We have to brush your teeth every 2 times, that means morning and night. Before going to bed in the night, we have to brush our teeth, and also in morning when you wake up, you have to brush your teeth daily 2 times. You have to brush your teeth. Then take a shower daily. We have to shower daily. Then only when some infection or some bacteria, when we are going to everywhere, so we have to take a shower daily. And then we also wash our cloth every day. Whenever you are using our cloth, we have to clean it. Then only when some other bacteria, microbes are attached to that cloth, means it will be removed. That's why we have to wash our cloth every day. And cover your food, because that is very important. We have to cover our food. Please don't keep the food open, because flies, some insect will be sit on the food. That's why don't open your food, just close your foods. And wash your hand every work. When you done anything work, means you have to wash your hands. These are the personal hygiene you have to follow. And then how the diseases are spreading and how to protect ourselves. Now only we are going to see that spreading disease means mainly cold. Cold is everywhere, and that cold nowadays it's become a big disease, that is COVID-19. Okay, we are going to see about common cold. Cold is spread through the saliva, because when we sneeze or when we cough, the particle of our saliva will be spread in the air. Some of the very heavy particle will be settled down. So whenever we walk or we touch anything, means it will just stick on your hand. That's why they are saying wash your hand in every work. Okay, and then the tiny particle, what will do? It will fly on the air. So when we go outside, means we are breathing, and we are outside only, we doing every work, no. So it will spread through your nose, ears, mouth, everything. That's why just wash your hands, wash your clothes and shower daily, then only you can able to control the diseases. And also we have to eat immunity power foods. Okay, then only the protein, whatever vitamins, or when having a deficiency, when you take some, consume some food, means you will get the immunity power high. Then only you can able to fight against some diseases. And care of the body. What is care of the body? We have to take care of our body. When you got some wounds means edachu ungalku oru adi pattuchna, please don't leave simply you have to just wash your wounds and then do some ointment, put some ointment or some first aid, then only the wound will be protected. Another infection will not come. When you leave that, then it become a septic and it will become big wounds like that. So take care of your body. When you take care of your body, then only you will live a stable life. Okay, you have to maintain properly. Don't eat junk foods. When you eat junk foods, it will store a cholesterol in your body. It store means it will become a obesity. So you have to do exercise and meditation. These are the things which keep our body and mind relaxes. And then dental care. These are the, I am just telling the basic of the care, what all we have to do. Okay, dental care means I already told you, per day you have to brush 2 times, then only, because when you wake up, all bacteria in our mouth, it will what happen, it just stored. You are not eating, drinking all night. So only when you wake up, every bacteria will be moving into your mouth. When you brush or clean your mouth means it will die. Then you will feel fresh. After in that night, same only, you are not going to eat anything. The whole day you are eating everything. So that food or particles will be stored in your mouth, and in the night what happened, the bacteria will eat the stored food, which foods will be in the your teeth. So it will just eat and it will spread everywhere in your mouth. That's why they are saying brush your teeth in the morning and night. These are the dental care. Okay, and then disease affecting teeth. What are the disease affecting in your teeth? The disease affecting teeth and gums. What is gums? That means ஈரன்னு சொல்வாங்கல்ல, அதுதான். Okay, that agents and a measure are given below. What are the bleeding gums? That means it will be bleed. Some bleeding gums means when you wash your teeth means sometime it will be bleed. நீங்கள் பல்லு விளக்கும் போது சில நேரத்தில் ரத்தம் வரும். ஏன்னு தெரியுமா? Because it is weak. நீங்கள் டெய்லியும் ஒழுங்காக பல்லு விளக்கலைன்னா அது வந்து வீக் ஆகிடும். வீக் ஆகிறதுனால when sometimes what will happen, blood will be come. That is bleeding gum. That is the one type of disease affecting the teeth. And then tooth decay. Tooth decay means சொத்த பல்லு வரும்னு சொல்லுவாங்கள்ல, because when the food are inside your teeth, சில சமயத்தில் இந்த கேப்பில் வந்து ஃபுட்டு போய் அட்டாச் ஆகிடும். அது ஆகும்போது நீங்கள் சரியாக டீத் ப்ரஷ் பண்ணலைன்னா என்ன ஆகும், அது வந்து டூத் டீகே ஆகிடும், அதாவது சொத்த பல்லு ஆகிடும். தென் யூ ஹாவ் டு ரிமூவ் த டீத். And what is that? Tobacco chewing. Tobacco chewing some people will do. Please don't do this, because it will make some cancers in your mouth. It is very big disease which is affecting in your teeth. So these are the disease affecting in your teeth. And then eye care. Eye care, the most important is every 2 years you have to go to check your eye. Because every 2 years we have to check your eye, how it's normal or it's having any power decrease or increase. Because we are seeing sometimes in our class we can't able to see the board. We will inform our teachers, Miss, shall I sit in first row, like that. So every 2 years we have to check the eye. Before seeing, you can't able to see some laptop or a board means you have to check and put some specs, contact lens, like that. And we also take just take a cucumber and slice it and keep it in your eye. Then only it will give you a cooling. When you are overheat means that also it affect the eye. So just keep it for a half an hour, then it will be cool your eye and there will be no infection also. And you have to wash your eye. When you are washing your face, just take a clean water and just wash your eye. And also you have to take a good nutrition food, that is like carrot, meat, avocado, like this. When you take a more vegetables, the eye power will be good. These are the basic for the eye. And what are the disease affecting is sometimes we can't able to see the power only. The people when getting older means what will happen, they can't able to see anything because their life cycle is going to the end. So every parts of body in the old peoples will be, the immunity power also will get low. And when you take over junk foods, the cholesterol will stored in your body means then also the power of the eye will also reduce, and you have to take a exercise daily for your eye also. And then hair care means we have to wash hair twice a week, not daily, twice a week, because when you are not having hair falling also due to some nutrition deficiency only. So we have to wash your hair twice a week and also do a conditions for the hair, then only it will be grow bigger. And then only when you get a hypertension or some deficiency, mental pressure, these all cause hair fall, and also tension also make a eye deficiency also. Now we are going to see about the communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Communicable means what? Interact with one person to another person. Non-communicable means not interacted, that is normal disease. Okay, communicable means என்கிட்ட இருந்து இன்னொருத்தவங்க கிட்ட பரவுற டிசீஸ் தான் வந்து communicable disease னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Like a common cold, they all are communicable disease only. But that another disease like fever, viral fever, these all are not communicable disease. Okay, in communicable disease, that is most will spread in bacteria only. Bacteria மூலமா தான் நிறைய disease வந்து communicable-ஆ வந்து spread ஆகும். Like that tuberculosis, cholera, typhoid, these all are communicable disease. Okay, it will transfer from one person to another person. Now let's see how the disease are transferring from one person to another person. Now we are going to see about the story of cholera, how the cholera is spreading. Just see, one person is affected by the cholera and the excretion is just mixed to the river, and the people who living in the village, everyone using the river for drinking, washing cloth, everything. And also fly also just interact with the excretion and just contact with every person, children's, women's, gents, everyone. And also it also going to the food also. They are not washing anything, that's why the infection is affecting. After the person get excretion through the mouth and anus. In a even single night itself, everyone got a cholera, and the person is just affecting by one person to another. The disease is spreading very fast. So the boy is going to an hospital and just calling a nurse. She just know that he is affecting by some communicable disease, and then what he doing is just filtering the water and boiling the water for 30 seconds to 1 minute. After boiling, the infection microbes, everything is reduced. In 1 liter, half spoon of salt and 5 tablespoons of sugars, which gives a electrolyte energy. After drinking that, he got some energy. Then he going to a hospital, and the boy thought that everyone was affected, so we have to help everyone. He take the electrolyte water and going to everyone and just informing that just clean everything. He putting a chlorine in the water and waiting for an half an hour and using water, and saying everyone wash your hand properly. This is the way how to wash your hand. With soap we have to wash our hand perfectly. After washing only we have to take our food. And also we have to use our restroom, because the river will affect, and in river everyone drinking that water. And then he going to every place and informing that wash your hands and clean your vegetables, fruits and peel it and then cook in the warm water, then we have to consume it. Then only we will free from the disease. We have to cover the food also. Now his father was getting clear. Then after this disease, every person was hygiene. And also they also covering the food and boiling the food, then only they are eating. I show you how the disease spreading fastly. This is the way how the disease are spreading. So when we hygiene ourselves means we will not be suffered from diseases. Like this only tuberculosis, typhoid, everything will be affect. Cholera affect our digestive system and tuberculosis will affect our lungs. These are the diseases which communicate very fastly. And also chicken pox, these are not also communicate disease only. When we touch a person who affected by the chicken pox, they will be suffered. Non-communicable disease means like a heart attack and stroke, headache, sneezes, these all are the non-communicable disease. Heart attack will be due to some unhygienic foods or some cholesterol, hypertension, these all cause the heart attack. This will not be communicable disease. And first aid, we have to see about first aid, how to do some prevention, because when something is happened mean we have to prevent ourselves, then only we will not suffer from more. We will clear it in our starting stage itself. For first aid, when you got some wounds means you have to just wash your wound and we have to put some ointment and also we have to cover with some cotton pads. Okay, without covering means again some microbe will be sit on the wounds and it will cause a big wounds. Okay, these are the first aid. When you got a burn means tikayam. Okay, when you got the burn means what will happen? You have to cover with some cold water or some blankets. Okay, some cold cloth you have to just cover it, then only you can able to clear with that. And then what for cut also you have to just wash it off and put your bandages. In the page number 93 they given clear pictures, just go through it, then only you can able to see clearly. These are the basic about the health and hygienic. When you hygiene means you will live a healthy life. This is about this lesson. Just read once and see the pictures, then only you will clear about your health and hygienic. Thank you students.